Aloha talofa and yorana, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I just wanted to give you and myself a confidence boost. I have recently been on social, I don't even know why I say recently. I'm always on social media. I've been working on social media for the last 10 years. Did I make money for 10 years on social media? No, but did I use it as a way of promotion, communication, letting people know who I am and what I'm about? Yes. Do I make money now on social media? Yes. And I wanted to be transparent about that. Mostly as a way to be like, so there's a saying, like, it's so cringy until it works, right? Like, posting on social media is so cringy. When I watch back videos listening to my voice, it took me a really long time to like hear my own voice. Like, I'm like, oh, I'm so annoying, I'm so weird. But in reality, like, I had to stop talking to myself like that and start believing the things that I'm reading in the comments, for example, or even, you know, anything else. Like, I always receive great comments. It's very rare I receive a hate comment. I always reap some sort of benefit after a video posted, a reel posted, image posted, whatever it may be, whether it's a student signing up for my class, me actually getting paid by Meta, or somebody following me and being a possible student in my classes later on in life. Like, throughout my entire social media journey, I have put myself out there, which has allowed me to be perceived, judged, whatever it may be. But on the back end of it, the amount of benefits and like wins that I have by using social media so heavily is beyond the judgment I could ever receive, because at the end of the day, my bills are paid, my daughter is fed, and I'm happy and living and doing the things that I want to do with my life, and I have full control over that. And I'm only saying that not to brag, but to give encouragement to those that are not taking the leap in anything in life. It doesn't have to be a career. It could be, you know, a task, a hobby, a new adventure. Like, if you're not taking the leap because you are fearful of what other people will think and say, my sweetheart, it's going to be so hard to live a genuine life for yourself. And I wanted to come on here and give that encouragement to you. And also, I'm not bragging, but when I say this, I mean it. Like, it, and I'm going to go back to social media. You don't have to post on social media, whatever, but like, let me tell you what I made. And it's shocking to me. Like, I don't find this to be like, oh, what a walk in the park. Like, I am mind blown how social media benefits me in my life. And I'm an advocate for like telling people to be content creators, because if you work hard enough, like, it will come. But you have to be patient and consistent, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work and a lot of creativity. But one video of me ranting about a story about my mom on TikTok made over $300. Another video made $10. Let me see. Another video made $50, $34, $2, $3. $2 is the drink that I bought today from the liquor store. Paid by Instagram, paid by TikTok. Like, I cannot complain. And having multiple streams of revenue has been really helpful for my life. I get to live this beautiful life that I live and take care of my loved ones and my family through it. And I'm using numbers to encourage you to post it. Like, if you've been thinking about posting, you've been thinking about doing something with your life, and you need like a catalyst to the end goal, social media is there for you. Like, you use it smart, you use it wise, and you are diligent on it, I swear to you, like, it's gonna be your best friend. This is my drink that I filled with cup of ice. It looks huge, but it's literally just coconut water and ice. But I just like, I'm in my own head all the time about the fact that I'm so heavy on social media. And I don't know a lot of people in my personal life, in my daily life, that uses social media nearly as heavy as I do, and for work. Like, sometimes it's cringy because I live with all of my in-laws, and then I'll hear them like start scrolling on their phone, and I'll hear my voice. Or if I'm at a party with family, they're scrolling on their phone, and just naturally, they're not looking at my videos, but I'll just hear my voice, and it makes me want to crawl up in a ball and die, because it's so cringy, it's so awkward to like have a personality on one platform, and then you see me in person, and it's not that I have a different personality, it's just that, you know, on social media I am a version of myself that I'm not always when you see me in person. A lot of times in person I'm really shy, really quiet. It depends on the day, and it depends on the scenario or wherever I'm at. But like, anyway, it's cringy, it's awkward, it's weird. You are putting yourself out there to be judged and perceived, but at the end of the day, if the benefits are greater than the possible judgment, like not like I don't even know. I know people are judging me, or maybe they don't like me or whatever, but in reality, I'm not actually directly dealing with that every day. What I am directly dealing with is my bills and my daughter having food on her table. So therefore, I'm going to post my video. And again, I'm not bragging, but I'm using my own personal experiences in life to guide you and motivate you to just say screw it and be brave and bright. I really like telling people to be big, brave, and bright. Speak with their chest, dance with their chest. Like, put your head up. Stop hiding who you are and the potential of who you can be because you're afraid of Sally gonna judge you or random Joe gonna judge you. Like, you're joking, right? You can't let other people's judgment guide you through your life. You have to like have that confidence in yourself. I'm coming from a place of like 10 years of social media work. So this is the end, not the end of my journey, but this is like, I've had a long time to process all this information. And I started it before my brain was fully developed, which is 15 years old. Like I didn't know what I was doing at 15 years old at all, but I had an inkling. And the thing is, like, a lot of the times, most people, they know what's wrong and right in their belly, in their mind, and they feel it in their gut. They know, like, this feels weird, or I think this could work. And it's fear that sets them back or holds them back or doesn't allow them to shine bright, you know? So that's all. I shared with you honest numbers to be like, wow, are you serious? Like, I'm hoping it shocks you because it shocks me every single time. And I'll take $2 on a video any day because what is that? Almost an egg McMuffin at McDonald's. Like, that's something, you know? There's a benefit of it. You just have to do it, be consistent at it, work your ass off at it. And often too, like, just one more piece of encouragement, people want 1,000 things in life, but there's really a difference about people who are going to go get it and people who are going to just keep talking about it and think about it. Like, are you going to go get it? Like, sometimes I have a hard time with people that lack motivation in simplest forms. Like, it's so much simpler to just get up and go do A, B, and C than sit in your bed and reap zero benefits in life. You know what I mean? I hope that made sense. But I only have a hard time with it because often I see people's potential like crawling out of their skin. Like, I'll be talking to family members, people I know in life, students, and I'm just looking at them like, oh, like, I wish you knew how talented you were and how creative you were. I wish you knew how beautiful you are and like the goals that you can reach if you believed it yourself and like were fearless. Like, I really encourage people to be more fearless. That, I don't know if that's like the Pisces in me, but I'm very like connected with how people are, and the second I meet them, I'm like, oh, you can be amazing. You can do amazing things if you set your mind to it, you know? And so because I always feel that way with people, it helps my teaching. And so here I am teaching. This is a teaching lesson. I take my personal life experiences. I'm sharing it with you. I hope it taught you something or reminded you to get up and go and be brave and bright and do what you want to do. Reach your goals and go to the places that will allow your goals to be reached. Go out there, be brave, like, be spontaneous, be brave, and be fearless. Okay, I have to get ready for class. So that's the YouTube video for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.